Welcome to V-Mobile Technologies Incorporated. V-Mobile is a universal prepaid loading system provider that empowers enterprising individuals like you with technology-based business tools. These tools were designed to help you succeed in mobile commerce like prepaid loading. Load Extreme is V-Mobile's flagship program for this universal prepaid loading platform. Under this program, you can be a techno user who can buy or sell prepaid loads, or a technopreneur who can buy or sell prepaid loads, register techno users, and earn commissions from their load sales. V-Mobile also offers various optional business opportunities with its My Enterprise family of business programs. Under My Enterprise, a techno user can earn from personal prepaid load consumption of their sales organization through MyTurf program, while a technopreneur can sell Load Extreme business franchise through the MyLX program, sell health and beauty products through the My Wellness program, and earn from personal prepaid load consumptions of their sales organization through the MyTurf program. With V-Mobile's wide array of business programs, there is one that will surely fit you. But before you start your V-Mobile business, you must first learn how to register your techno user or technopreneur access card, how to replenish your Load Extreme load wallet, how to buy or sell load, and understand the system's safety features. How to register. It's very easy to register your techno user or technopreneur access card. There are two ways: using your cell phone, using the internet. To register using the cell phone, follow these 3 easy steps. Step 1. Just type LX space REG space ID number space subscription activation code space birth date space telco code space full name. The ID number can be found at the front of your access card, while the subscription activation code is at the back. The birth date should be typed in as month dash date dash year format. These are the following telco code that are accepted by the system: Smart, Globe, Sun, TNT for talk and text, TM for touch mobile, and Red for Red mobile. Make sure that all the information you entered are correct. Then send it to the Load Extreme gateway number indicated in your quick guide brochure. Step 2. After sending your SMS registration, wait for an SMS reply that contains your assigned gateway number and personal identification key, or PIK. The assigned gateway number is where you must send all your future Load Extreme SMS commands. Save this number in your cell phone. Your PIK serves as your account security password. It must be taken care of the way you would take care of your bank ATM PIN. Keep it. Memorize it. You also have the option to change your PIK when you log on to your www.loadextreme.ph member page. Step 3. Complete your registration information by sending your address. Just type LX space CHGADDR space ID number space PIK space your complete address. Make sure that all the information you entered are correct. Then send it to the Load Extreme gateway number indicated in your quick guide brochure or your assigned gateway. Congratulations! You are now a registered technopreneur or techno user. To register via the internet, follow these 4 easy steps. Step 1. Log on to www.loadextreme.ph website. At the upper right corner of the website, you will see the words No Account. Click the Click Here button. This action will bring you to the Terms of Use page. Step 2. Read the Terms of Use. If you find the provisions of the Terms of Use acceptable, select I agree, then click Submit. This action will bring you to the registration page. Step 3. Fill in all the required information in the registration page. Make sure that all the information you entered are correct, then click Submit. Step 4. You will be given a Personal Identification Key, or PIK. Your PIK serves as your account security password. It must be taken care of the way you would take care of your bank ATM PIN. Keep it. Memorize it. You also have the option to change your PIK when you log on to your www.loadextreme.ph member page. Congratulations! You are now a registered technopreneur or techno user. How to replenish load. One of the most important aspects of your V-Mobile business is about your use of load wallets. Load wallets are your virtual credits where all prepaid transactions are debited each time you order products. It would be to your advantage if you make sure that you have enough load wallet credits at all times. There are several easy ways to replenish your load wallet. You can ask any technopreneur or any independent business operator to replenish your account. You can transfer payment to V-Mobile via Union Bank Bills Payment Facility. This may be made over the counter or through ATM. You can send payments to V-Mobile Technologies by depositing desired amount to V-Mobile's accredited banks. To replenish load wallets through bank deposits, just follow these 3 easy steps. Step 1. Deposit over the counter through any of the following banks and their branches nationwide. Interbranch deposit fees are waived. Union Bank, UBP, Banco de Oro, BDO, Bank of the Philippine Islands, BPI. V-Mobile's account numbers for each bank can be found in your quick guide brochures. Step 2. After making the deposit, a reload notification must be immediately sent to the LoadExtreme system. Just type LX space reload space your ID number / your PIK / amount deposited / bank / branch / bank account number / date / time. Here are a few important things you need to remember. Make sure that your ID number and PIK are correct. Minimum deposit amount should be 500 pesos. Use the correct bank and branch combination where you made the deposit. The bank account number should indicate the correct V-Mobile's bank account number where you made the deposit. The date format should be in month-date-year format. Lastly, time should indicate the time you made your deposit. This can be seen from the copy of the bank deposit slip. Step 3. Make sure that all the information you entered are correct. Then send the SMS command to your assigned gateway. You will receive an SMS notification from LoadExtreme system once your account is credited. Congratulations! Now you can buy or sell prepaid loads and start earning. How to load. Buying or selling prepaid loads is very easy. If you have enough load wallet credits, hundreds of prepaid load varieties are available for you, such as over-the-air loads like Smart Load, Globe Autoload Max, and Sun Express Load. Electronic pins or e-pins, which are pin-based products similar to scratchable prepaid cards. MyTurf loads, which are over-the-air loads that provide rewards under the MyTurf program. To buy or sell load, just type LX space load space your ID number space your PIK space product code space customer's cell phone number. Product codes can be found on your product guide or price list brochures. Make sure that all the information you entered are correct, particularly the product code and the customer's cell phone number. Then send the SMS command to your assigned gateway. If the command is successful, your customer will receive a notification from the telco, and you will receive an SMS confirmation from LoadExtreme. Important loading tips. Save your SMS command as a message template so retyping will be much easier. Product codes are character sensitive. Letters and numbers must not be interchanged while typing in these codes. For example, The letter O must not be replaced with the number 0, and vice versa. Customers who buy ePINs must register the PIN they receive using procedures required by their telco operator. You can help a customer who accidentally deletes their ePIN by resending the PIN to their cell phone. Just send the following command to your assigned gateway: LX space resend space your ID number space your PIK space product code space ePIN serial number. How to load Peso Incremental OTA load, pa-piso piso. Just type LX space OTA space your ID number slash your PIK slash telco code slash amount slash customer's cell phone number. Telco codes allowed for this command are Globe, TM, or Sun only. Make sure that all the information you entered are correct, particularly the PIK, telco code, and the customer's cell phone number. Then send the SMS command to your assigned gateway. LoadExtreme safety features. The LoadExtreme system was designed to safeguard your account by creating customized response to various telco-related problems. These are safety features that aim to provide hassle-free services. Access blocking. To protect your account, LoadExtreme will automatically block access from a specific cell number that sends erroneous commands 3 times. To lift the blocking, a call to V-Mobile customer service hotline is required. Credit back. Processing of load requests may at times encounter delay or failure due to congestion of telco services. LoadExtreme will credit back your load wallet on such instances. Stale SMS. LoadExtreme system automatically rejects any SMS command it receives beyond 30 minutes from the time the command was sent. This feature protects you from potential losses when delivery of your SMS command suffers delay due to congestion of telco services. Duplicate SMS. There are times when telcos deliver the same SMS to a recipient more than once. To ensure that you are not charged erroneously and repeatedly for transactions requested only once, LoadExtreme only accepts and processes only one from among the multiple same SMS command received by the system within 5 minutes. In cases where you really need to order products multiple times, you may append any alphanumeric characters at the end of your SMS commands to make each request unique. LoadExtreme will process each command separately. Using V-Mobile LoadExtreme's universal prepaid loading system is very easy. For more information on how you can further understand our system, you can log on to www.loadextreme.ph and click on FAQs tab. You may also contact our customer service at 632-311-3000 or log on to www.loadextreme.ph/support.
Magandang araw mga kabayan. Ito po ang inyong lingkod ulit. Walang iba po, Mr. Fritz De Leon. Ngayong araw na to ay mag-aaral tayo tungkol sa technical side ng ating business. Siyempre, pag may mga katanungan yung mga kabayan natin, mas maganda po yung masasagot natin sila. Kaya sana po marami kayong matutunan. Okay, unang gawin po natin is magsisave po tayo ng gateway natin. Ifo-phone book po natin yan. Kung kayo po ay Sun user, ito po ang mga gateways nyo, yung mga number na po yan. Si-save nyo po. Ipapangalan nyo sa phone book is gateway. Kuha lang po kayo ng isang number dyan. Same po dito sa smart. Kung kayo po ay smart user or talk and text user or red mobile user, kuha po kayo ng isang number dito at i-phone book nyo po. Pangalanan nyo pong gateway. Same po sa Globe tsaka touch mobile. Kuha po kayo ng isang number dyan. i-phone book nyo, pangalanan yung gateway. Unang prosesong pag-aaralan natin is paano po mag-load. Ito po yung pangkaraniwang unang tanong ng ating mga bagong business partners. Okay? Ganito lang po ang gagawin natin. Meron po tayong commands. Ito pong commands na to ay yung LX load command. Alright? Gagawa po tayo ng message. Alright? Tatype po natin tong message sa ating cellphone. LX space load space Technopreneur ID. Ito po yung ID number nyo. Space password or PIK, personal identification key, space product code, space customer's cell phone number. Ito po yung example, LX space load space ID number space password space yung product code na ipapaload po and space cell phone number ng customer. Alright, dito po makukuha yung product code sa price list po natin. Depende po sa product na bibilhin. Ganito po yung common human error. Nalalagyan po ng space dito. May extra space po dyan. Alright. Pag load nyo po sa customer, hindi po yun siya maloload kasi merong sobrang space. Kaya make sure walang sobrang space in between or dito sa huli na hindi po natin minsan nakikita. Yun lang po pinaka-importante doon. Pag tama po yung commands natin, okay, make sure isasend natin yung command na yan sa gateway po. Alright? Pag send nyo dun sa gateway, pag tama yung commands, automatic maglo-load agad yun, walang delay. Alright, isa po yung technique na gagawin natin para hindi kayo mahirapan mag-load. Since commands po yung gagawin natin, is gumawa po kayo ng template or outbox or draft. Right? Save nyo po tong LX space load space ID number space password or PIK. Hanggang dyan lang po. Okay? Para kung may magpa-load po sa inyo, i-insert nyo na lang po tong command na to, insert template, hanggang dito po sa password para lalagyan nyo na lang ng product code at saka cellphone number ng customer. Hindi nyo na po kailangan mag-type ng paisa-isa. Okay, i-explain ko po sa inyo kung how the mobile system works. Right. Ito po yung cellphone natin. Ito po yung telco highway. Ito po yung customer or kayo po kung loloadan nyo yung sarili nyo. Ito po yung telco o dito po tayo kumukuha ng product. Let's say ito po yung Smart, Globe, or Sun. Tapos, dito na po yung gateway natin. Alright? Okay, ganito po yun. Kung may magpapaload po sa atin, again, gumagawa po tayo ng command. LX space load, space ID number, password, product code, and customer's cell phone number. Okay? Yan po yung ID number and password. Yan po yung product code. Example, S30X is yan po yung Smart 30 pesos economy load. And customer's cell phone number. Alright, ito po yung gateway. Isa po sa mga gateway ng Smart. Sisend natin yan ngayon. Okay. Dadaan yan sa gateway natin. Okay. I-confirm nyo po kung tama yung ID number, tama yung password, and sufficient po yung balance nyo, yung load wallet nyo. Pag kumpleto po yun lahat, kukuha na ngayon siya ng produkto sa telco, sa Smart po, since Smart po yung pinapaload na natin. And then, pag confirm po ng telco, loadan niya ngayon yung customer mo. Alright? Loaded. And then, si telco magko-confirm sa gateway natin na si customer is na-loadan na. Okay? And then, yung gateway natin is magko-confirm po sa atin. Ito po, one new message from LoadExtreme. Magko-confirm siya na na-loadan na po yung customer natin. Again, make sure ng commands na ginamit natin walang sobrang space. Okay? Alright, recap lang. Make sure wala pong sobrang space dito sa huli or sa mga gitna ng commands. Hindi po natin namamalayan kasi pag sobrang space, pag nagsobra yun, hindi talaga maglo-load yung system natin. Ito po yung usually na nangyayari kapag may delay sa pag-load. Di ba po, unang-una is magsasend tayo sa gateway, papunta dito. Pag na-confirm ni gateway na tama yung information, alright, pag send niya ngayon sa telco, pagpalagay po natin yung telco may traffic or may tinatawag nating congestion. Right. Possible po nag-upgrade yung telco office or meron po silang maintenance, kaya po lahat ng text messages nata-traffic. Pag ganun po yung nangyayari, syempre hindi po makapag-load sa customer, hindi po darating muna yung load sa kanya kasi po nakapila yung command natin. Alright? Kailangan po nating intindihin na yung system natin ay para pong highway. Right. Pag hating gabi po tayo pumupunta ng downtown, syempre mas mabilis po kasi walang traffic. Pero pag rush hour po, matagal pong hihintayin natin sa highway kasi po traffic. Same lang po yung sa commands natin, since text po yung command natin, nata-traffic po dito sa telco. Alright? And minsan din kapag may maintenance si telco, kailangan din pong mag-maintenance ng system natin kasi po hindi pwedeng mabilis yung system nila, sa atin mabagal. Dapat po pantay yung kabilisan ng ating system at saka yung telco system. Okay? And yung system po din natin, paminsan-minsan kailangan po din niya ng maintenance. Stable po yung system natin, kaya lang po mas mainam na po yung parating nagme-maintenance. Kasi po pag may nasira sa isang server dito sa ating system, damay po yan lahat. So, pangit po kapag yun ang mangyari. Kaya, minsan-minsan po, nagme-maintenance tayo. Pangalawang proseso po na pag-aaralan natin is paano po tayo mag-replenish ng load wallet natin. Siyempre po, ginagamit natin yung load wallet natin, nauubos. Kapag naubos, magpa-replenish. Okay, first option, punta tayo ng V-Mobile Office Nationwide. Sa Office po, meron pong tinatawag na loading slip. Ito po yun, fill up nyo lang po ng mga informations. Pangalan nyo po, ID number nyo, so wag nang kalimutan yung ID number nyo, cellphone number, amount po na ipapaload nyo, at yung date. Sulat nyo lang po yan sa papel, ibigay nyo po sa cashier, and kami na po bahala. Yun po yung ating first option. Okay, makakatanggap po kayo ng confirmation na na-loadan na po kayo pag process po namin ng inyong reloading slip. Real time po yan yung paglo-load namin. Pagbigay mo ng resibo, pag-process namin, agad-agad na-load yun. Okay? Second choice is mag-load wallet transfer po tayo. Di ba po, mayroon tayong mga retailers. Pag naubos po yung load wallet nila, tayo lang po ang dealer na may capability na mag-transfer ng load wallet. Okay? Ito po yung commands na gagawin natin. LX space transfer space Technopreneur ID or ID nyo po, space password space LX load space amount to transfer space retailer's ID number, yung papasahan nyo po ng load wallet, and then space retailer's cellphone number. Okay? Ito po yung sample ng command, LX space transfer space ID number nyo po. Ito po yung ID number nyo kasi kayo po yung dealer, space password nyo, space LX load command, space amount is 500, space ID number ng transferan nyo ng load wallet, and then space yung cellphone number nila. Again po, common human error, make sure na walang space dito sa huling command. Right? Kasi po pag may sobrang space niyan, pag send nyo sa gateway, hindi po tatanggapin ng system yun kasi mali. Again, make sure in between wala pong space again. Alright? Pag tama po yung commands nyo, make sure to send it to your gateway para po ma-process namin. And again, pag tama po yung commands, walang sobra, walang human error, automatic, yung load wallet is matatransfer dun sa pinag-loadan mo ng load wallet. Okay, makakatanggap po sila ng confirmation na naloadan na po sila ng 500. And ikaw po, makaka-receive ka din ng confirmation na nabawasan po ng 500 pesos yung load wallet mo. Update lang po, kapag less than 500 pesos na load wallet yung transaction nyo, may bawas kang piso na load wallet. Pagpalagay natin, meron kang 1,000 na load wallet, tapos nagpa-load wallet transfer yung Tecno user mo ng 300 pesos, yun po yung minimum 300 pesos. Ang mababawas po sa load wallet nyo is 301 pesos. Kasi po, below 500, merong bawas. Pero, above 500 pesos po, wala na pong bawas yon. Third option, online conversion. Alright, for dealers lang po to. Punta po kayo dito sa link, http://mylx.biz. Ay, ito po yung website natin, yung website po natin sa marketing. Login lang po kayo using your ID number and password. Again po, for dealers lang po to. Click nyo po yung login. Okay. Ito po yung makikita nyong website. Okay. Click nyo po yung convert earnings. Pag-click nyo dyan, okay, pagpalagay natin, ito na po yung income nyo, 26,000, and meron na po kayong 6,500 na na-withdraw. Right, meron kayong 20,000 pesos remaining. Okay, pagpalagay natin, i-convert natin yan ngayong 20,000 para maging load wallet. So, lagay nyo lang yung password nyo dito, and then, lagay nyo yung 20,000, and then click submit. Ganito po yung proseso nyan. Make sure na na-convert nyo po yung earnings nyo before 7 p.m. Friday. Okay? Before 7 p.m. Friday. Para po, pagka Wednesday next week, mako-convert na po tong load wallet nyo. Darating na po yan. Pagpalagay po natin na late kayo sa pag-convert. Pagpalagay natin, alas 9 na ng gabi ng Biyernes. So, basically, darating yung load wallet nyo next Wednesday pa po sa makalawang Miyerkules. Alright, just make sure and please remember, always convert your earnings before 7 p.m. Friday para po may load wallet na kayo pagka Wednesday ng hapon. And ito po yung last option natin for fourth option, bank account deposit. Okay, meron po tayong mga bank account ng V-Mobile sa mga accredited banks. Ito pong First Union Bank of the Philippines. Ito po yung account number. Sa BDO po, ito po yung account number. BPI, ito po yung account number. And then Metrobank, ito po yung account number. Pagpalagay po natin, walang malayo po tayo sa V-Mobile office and wala pong mga dealers na pwedeng mag-transfer ng load wallet, and then wala pa po tayong income sa marketing natin. So, pwede po tayo mag-deposit sa bangko. Okay. Hindi po yung gagawin natin. First option is Union Bank. Okay. Make sure, kapag Union Bank po yung ni-deposit nyo, make sure to get the bills payment slip. Right? Ito po yung mukha ng bills payment slip. Okay, make sure to get this one. Okay, lagay nyo po sa information company or institution na pagdedeposituhan nyo or babayaran nyo is V-Mobile Technologies. Name nyo po. And then, account number or reference number is your V-Mobile ID. Okay? Magandang araw po ulit mga kabayan. Ito po ulit si Mr. Fritz De Leon. Meron po tayong bagong video presentation. Sana po ay mas maintindihan ninyo ang concept ng V-Mobile business and sana po ay makatulong ito sa ating negosyo. Para sa mga kabayan kung bago pa lang sa ganitong business, gusto ko pong i-share sa inyo na tuturuan po namin kayo maging businessman and maging investor. Magkakaroon po tayo ng extra income sa ating mga kasalukuyang trabaho. Ito po yung ating glass of ideas. May i-share lang po kaming opportunity sa inyo. Pag puno po yan, syempre po, aapaw po yung tubig dyan. So, iling ko lang po is i-empty muna natin yung ating baso para po yung i-share namin na idea ay ma-absorb nyo. And huling kahilingan lang po, buksan po natin yung ating isipan. Kasi po ang opportunity na i-share namin para po sa yung time and financial freedom. Maraming salamat po ulit. Ito po yung mga quick facts. Philippines is still the undisputed texting capital of the world. And there are 85 million cell phone users out of 93 million population. And 1.3 billion SMS are being sent daily. Pagpalagay po natin, cold cash dyan is around 600 million. 15 billion are being spent for prepaid load alone every month. And prepaid load is the number one product consumed sa Pilipinas. Ang point ko lang po dito kabayan is, billion industry po ang telecom business sa Pilipinas. And technology has changed our lives, especially through communication. Hindi po tulad ng dati na ang tagal pong makipag-communicate sa ating mga mahal sa buhay. Ngayon po ay instant na. Ang point ko po ulit dito kabayan, tayo mismo gumagastos ng malaki para makipag-communicate sa ating mga mahal sa buhay. Ang average Filipino po ay gumagastos ng 30 pesos a day sa kanyang prepaid load consumption. Multiply po natin yan ng 30 days, that is 900 a month. Then multiply po natin ng 12 months, so that is 10,800 a year po. It's safe to say na after 10 years, gagamit pa rin tayo ng cellphone. Mag-upgrade pa nga tayo ng cellphone natin eh. So after 10 years, that is 108,000 pesos. And an average Filipino family, meron pong 5 cellphone user. So that is 540,000 po after 10 years na 5 taong gumagamit ng cellphone. Ang point ko lang dito kabayan is, ang load po is one of your basic needs sa panahon ngayon. Ito po yung pinagagastosan natin. Tayo po consumer ay nagbabayad ng libo-libo sa mga providers, syempre po sa product and sa quality of service to communicate with our loved ones. Ngayon, presenting the facts na billion industry pala yung telco business sa Pilipinas, may naisip po si V-Mobile na opportunity and ino-offer niya po sa atin to ngayon as a consumer. Every time daw po nagagamitin natin yung cellphone natin, magkakaroon tayo ng discount and income. Siyempre, practically po, tayo mga Pilipino, mas gusto po natin yun. Meron tayong benefits using the same product and the same service po. Ngayon po ang tanong is, sino si V-Mobile and kaya ba ni V-Mobile na suportahan yung project niya na ganito? Okay, konting background lang po kay V-Mobile. Siya po ay na-establish noong April 29, 2008. And ang company po behind V-Mobile is Penta Capital. Ito po, Penta is 5, V, Roman numeral is 5 po. Si Penta Capital na-establish noong 1957. Leading independent investment house sa Pilipinas and expert sa project development, real estate, and mga infrastructure po. Meron po siyang license sa Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. And ito po mga kliyente ni Penta Capital. Ganito po yan. Pagpalagay natin, si Cebu Pacific, meron po siyang project and kailangan niya po ng isang eroplano. Pag hindi po kaya suportahan ng bangko, yung uutangin ni Cebu Pacific, si Penta Capital po ang magpapautang. Same po dito si San Miguel, pagpalagay nating magtatayo siya ng isang bagong planta, kung hindi kaya ng bangko magpautang, si Penta Capital po ang magfe-finance. Ito po yung MRT sa Maynila. Pag may project yung MRT bumili ng bagong tren, and again, si Penta Capital din po yung magfe-finance sa kanila, and the rest of the companies nakasali po dito. Right. Ang point ko lang po dito kabayan is, sila nga po malalaking kumpanya, nagtitiwala ka Penta Capital, tayo pa kaya as consumer pwede po nating pagkatiwalaan sa Penta Capital. Company base po, company wise, stable po tayo. Okay? And then, kayang-kaya po ni V-Mobile suportahan ng project na to. The next question is, paano po natin to ma-avail na project? Paano po tayo makakakuha nitong benefits na to? Ang tanging gawin lang po natin is gamitin yung V-Mobile system. Meron po tayong dalawang option. Ito po yung first option natin, maging Techno user. Okay? Gamit lang po yung isang cellphone nyo and isang SIM card or existing SIM card nyo po. I-activate po natin tong card na to sa gamit yung cellphone ngayon. Pag once activated, magkakaroon kayo ng isang load wallet, and that load wallet meron na pong access sa lahat ng prepaid products. Okay? Lahat po ng prepaid products, ibig sabihin po yung e-load, okay, yung prepaid scratch card, yung internet prepaid, lahat po ng prepaid. Kahit po yung sa mga cable prepaid, alright, yung cable TV, pwede po yun. Basta lahat po ng prepaid na available sa Pilipinas. Meron po kayong 8 to 11% savings on your own prepaid consumption. Kung kayo po yung gagamit ng produkto ng prepaid, may discount na po kayo automatic. And syempre, pag imbenta nyo po yung prepaid, pagpalagay natin may magpa-load sa inyo, eto po yung income nyo, 8 to 11% income. Alright? Yan po Tecno user, that is for 250 pesos, or tinatawag po natin dito sa Pilipinas na retailer po. Yan po yung price niya. Again, reminding nyo lang po kabayan, ang income nyo lang po dito is through e-loading, and yun lang po. Wala na po kayong other means of income. E-loading lang po talaga. Alright, second option is maging technopreneur po tayo, or kumbaga maging dealer po tayo. Okay? Ito po yung benefits, or ito po yung requirements. Use your own existing SIM and cellphone. Pareho lang po kung anong gamit nyo ngayon. And pag once na-register na po itong Technopreneur card sa cellphone nyo, mayroon na din po kayong isang load wallet, access to all prepaid products. 8 to 11% savings kung kayo yung gagamit ng prepaid product or income pag ibenta nyo. Okay? And ito po yung wala sa retailer. Ito po yung sa dealership. Meron tayong marketing plan. You have the opportunity to earn 65,000 in 7 months. Baseline lang po yun. Hindi ibig sabihin yung 65,000 7 months talaga. Pwede po yun in 3 months time or in 4 months time. Okay? Lahat po to na very risk-free investment na 3,988 po. Or let's say 4,000 pesos. Kasi po, business po to. Kailangan mag-invest. Okay? Very risk-free po kasi meron po siyang kasamang business kit na libre. Okay, meron kayong 20 price list, lahat ng products natin nakasulat dyan. Meron din po tayong 20 quick guide. Since technical po yung business natin, meron pong mga instructions kung paano gamitin. Alright? Meron tayong 2 tarpaulin, 3 regular smart SIM card, pwede nyo gamitin or pwede nyo po ibenta. And ito po yung return of investment nyo. Di ba po, ito po yung Technopreneur card na i-register sa cellphone nyo. And then, you will get the 20 Tecno user card or 20 retailer card worth 250. Again po, 250, multiply mo yan ng 20 cards, that is 5,000 pesos. So, yun po yung return of investment nyo. May income pa po kayong 1,000. And nakalagay yan sa lahat yan nakalagay sa bag, and automatic meron tayong 2 personal online inventory system. Lahat po ng ating transaction monitored po online. Ito pong website na to, dito po monitor lahat ng e-loading transaction nyo. And ito po na website, ito po is lahat ng transaction nyo sa marketing, monitor po dito. Marketing plan po natin. Kaya ito pa pong isang benefit ng pagiging dealer. Meron po kayong tinatawag nating gross retail override. Okay? Ito po, pagpalagay natin, meron kayong isang Tecno user card na nakakaubo siya ng 500 daily load consumption. Meron kang, pagpalagay natin 2% ng 500, let's say 10 pesos. Automatic yun, income mo yun kasi ikaw yung dealer, under mo yun sila as retailer. Meron, pagpalagay natin meron kang 20 Tecno user na nakakaubos ng 500 daily, assuming po na nakakaubos sila 500 pesos daily. If you're going to multiply that 10 pesos by 20, that is 200 pesos. Yun po yung automatic income mo kahit wala kang ginagawa. Alright, yun po yung isang benefits ng pagkuha ng dealership. Alright, how to replenish your load wallet? Syempre, ginagamit natin, mauubos yung load wallet natin. First is, punta lang po kayo sa mga V-Mobile office nationwide. Okay? Pag wala pong office, pwede po kayo mag-load wallet transfer from technopreneur to technopreneur or dealer to dealer. Or pwede din po, kunwari may retailer kayo na ubusan ng load, pwede po kayo na lang mag-transfer sa kanila. So, one of the responsibility ng dealer is to secure na may load wallet siya parate para sa Tecno user niya or retailer niya. Alright? Third is online conversion. Meron na po tayong income sa marketing natin and yung income na yung nag-reflect sa account natin online. Pagpalagay natin meron tayong 20,000 doon. Pwede natin yung i-convert para maging load wallet para ibenta ulit sa ating mga Tecno user. Okay, ito po last option natin. Pag wala na talagang option iba, pwede po tayo mag-cash deposit sa mga accredited banks. Union Bank, BPI, BDO, Metrobank. Right? Meron po tayong bank account number ng V-Mobile sa mga bangkong to. Doon po tayo magde-deposit. Okay? Pagkatapos nating mag-deposit, bibigyan tayo ng teller ng resibo. And yung resibo po, yung information sa resibo, iti-text natin sa V-Mobile system para po ma-confirm na tayo ang nag-deposit ng pera. Okay, ito pong how telecommunication system works, traditional system. Na-check off ka, punta ka ng tindahan para magpa-load. Okay? Pagpalagay natin, 30 pesos ipapaload mo, 3 pesos mapupunta sa tindahan, 27 pesos po sa provider. Hindi na po natin kailangan yan. Ito po yung system natin. Pag maubusan tayo ng load, gagamitin lang natin system natin para makapag-load ulit. Alright, pagpalagay natin 30 pesos yung papaload natin. 27, sa kanila na talaga yun sa provider kasi given. Sila yung nag-provide ng product and service. Kuha lang po tayo ng maliit na porsyento sa system and the rest is magiging savings mo na po. Or earnings mo kung ibenta mo ulit yung load. Pagpalagay natin savings mo, 2 pesos and 77 cents, multiply natin ng 5 family member na gumagamit ng cellphone, that is 13 pesos and 85 cents daily. If you're going to multiply that by 365 days or 1 year, that is 5,055. Mas malaki pa yung savings mo in a year compare sa investment mo. And etong savings mo to is lifetime savings. Hindi lang po yan for 1 year. Lifetime po yan. Okay, eto po yung mga benefits and opportunity. V-Mobile system versus traditional system using the same product and service. Sa amin po, meron kaming convenient as a V-Mobile user. Alright, pwede kami makapag-load sa sarili namin anytime, anywhere, 24/7, kahit sa anong sitwasyon. Pwede. Right. Meron kaming discount. Again, sa 100 pesos, pag nagpa-load ka sa tindahan, 100 is 100 talaga. Walang discount yun. Minsan may tubo pang 5 pesos. Dito sa amin, yung 100 pesos discounted, around 89 or 90 pesos lang po yung mababawa sa load wallet namin. So, meron na kaming 10 pesos or 11 pesos savings. Meron po kaming extra income, syempre through dealership, nagbebenta ng load, pwede din po. Right? Si traditional system, wala talaga. After a year, 5 years, 10 years from now, puro gastos yung sa kanya. Dito sa amin, meron po tayong benefits and extra income. Alright, ang tanong dyan is, nagustuhan mo ba na ikaw mismo as a consumer, mayroong benefits? Pag nagustuhan mo, syempre, pwede mo na din yung i-share sa mga friends mo. Yung convenience, yung discount, and extra income. May mga friends ka nga na gusto ding magkaroon ng benefits through using their cellphone. Okay? Yun yung convenient, discount, and extra income. Yan pong tinatawag naming consumer empowerment. Alright? Ang mas maganda dyan is nag-share ka lang ng opportunity pag nag-decide silang kumuha ng dealership, meron kang income. That is our endorsement marketing or marketing plan. And then, pag yung mga friends mo nag-start mag-share sa kanilang mga kaibigan, meron ka ulit income. Yun yung pinaka-the best dun. Yung mga friends nila gusto magkaroon ng benefits, magkaka-income ka rin. Okay? Yun yung tinatawag natin again, endorsement marketing. Ito po yung big picture sa telco business. Yung mga telco or yung mga providers natin nagbabayad ng milyon-milyon sa mga endorser. Endorsing it sa TV, sa radyo, sa newspaper, sa magazine, sa billboard ads. Ang ini-endorse nila is traditional system, 'di ba? Itong mga artistang to, ilang beses kaya yan sila nag-taping, nag-pictorial para i-endorse yung product. Mga isang beses lang siguro. Pero yung talent fee nila is milyon-milyon. Samantalang si Manang sa tindahan, 24 hours nagbukas, ang kita is piso-piso through e-loading, 'di ba? Alright. Hindi naman tayo artista para mag-endorse ng traditional system. So, ngayon, gagamitin natin yung V-Mobile system. Magiging V-Mobile endorser ka po. Alright? Using, again, the same product and the same service. Pero, yung atin is merong benefits. Merong benefits na wala po sa traditional system. Ito po yun. At pag once dealer ka na, automatic meron kang Team A and Team B. Alright? Pag may kaibigan kang interesado kumuha ng dealership kasi gusto niya magkaroon ng benefits, automatic 500 pesos ka sa kanya. Ikaw po yung magde-decide kung saan mo siya ilagay, kung what team ba, kung Team A or Team B. Okay? Pagpalagay natin may na-invite ka ulit na friends mo na gustong magkaroon ng benefits, automatic 500 pesos ka. Alright? Same experience, sila din magkakaroon ng Team A and Team B. Itong friends mo magka-Team A and Team B din. Magpalagay natin after a week, wala pa silang na-invite, yung mga friends mo wala pa, pero ikaw meron ka nang na-invite. Pwede mong ilagay under sa kaibigan mo. Of course, sa'yo pa rin yung 500 kasi ikaw yung nag-invite, di ba? Same scenario po dito, as long as ikaw ang nag-invite, sa'yo yung 500. Unlimited po yan, walang limit. Okay, and the reason po na may Team A and Team B ka, may tinatawag tayong team sales bonus. So, empleyado yung bonus every 13 month lang, pero dito sa atin pwedeng araw-araw. Alright, at po yun. Diba 500 ka kay sir kasi na-invite mo siya, nilagay mo sa Team A, and then 500 ka ulit kay ma'am. Automatic, pag ma-detect ng system na may pairing ka, isa sa A, isa sa B, partner po yan sila, automatic, meron kang additional 500 pesos as your bonus. Papasalamatan ka ulit ni V-Mobile kasi nang dahil sa'yo, meron siyang bagong dalawang kliyente. Alright? So, gagawin natin dito is magti-team up tayo. Ikaw, tutulungan mo si sir. And tutulungan mo din si ma'am. Para si sir, maka-invite ng 10. And si ma'am maka-invite ng 10. Ikaw, wala kang choice. Mag-earn ka ng bonus na 5,000 pesos kasi meron kang 10 partners. Okay? Kahit hindi ka na mag-invite, si sir na lang kasi alam na ni sir yung gagawin. Tutulungan niya yung 10 niyang kaibigan. And si ma'am, tutulungan niya yung 10 niyang kaibigan. Pag naka-invite sila ng 20 pairs, kahit wala ka nang ginawa, meron ka pa ring bonus na 10,000. Wala kang choice doon. Pasalamatan ka ng V-Mobile kasi meron siyang 20 pairs na kliyente. Same scenario po, pag naka-invite uli sila ng 60 na tao, every pair is 30,000 pesos po yan for the 60 pairs na bagong member. Alright? Gawin po nating 1:1. Okay, ganito yan. 500 ka, na-invite mo si sir, and then 500 ka ulit, na-invite mo si ma'am, plus 500 ka for the pairing bonus. So, 1,500 na yun, di ba? Okay. Tinulungan mo ngayon si sir, naka-invite si sir ng dalawa, so si sir dito is 500 plus 500 sa pairing, 1,500 na din si sir. Okay. Ngayon, ang gagawin po natin is tutulungan natin si ma'am. Pag naka-invite si ma'am, 500 siya, and ikaw, meron ka ding 500 pesos. Okay? And since magtutulungan na yan sila dyan, let's say si ma'am, tinulungan yung friend niya, naka-invite yung friend niya ng isa, automatic, mayroon kang pair ulit, 500. Okay? Pag humataw po yung team ni ma'am, naka-invite ng dalawa, so may waiting ka na ulit, balikan mo na naman si sir. Para yung team ni sir mag-invite, pag naka-invite ng isa, automatic 500. Then, pag naka-invite ulit ng isa, 500. Hindi mo nakilala po yan, ha, yung mga question mark. Alright. Okay. Darating ang panahon, meron ka ng 100 miyembro dito sa Team A and 100 miyembro sa Team B. Pagpalagay natin, mag-i-invite sila tig-iisa isang araw. So meron ka ng 100 pairs. So 100 pairs, that is 50,000 pesos, di po ba? Meron po tayong tinatawag na safety net. Ensures an equal opportunity sa lahat ng technopreneurs or kumuha ng dealership. Maximum mong kitain isang araw is 30,000 a day. Kahit hindi mo na effort na ng team mo dun sa pairing bonus, maximum is 30,000. Pagpalagay natin, meron kang income na pairing na 35,000 pesos, automatic yung 5,000 sa company na yun mapupunta. Yung 30,000 sa'yo na yun. Alright, assuming na 30,000 a day, so that is 210,000 a week and that is 900,000 pesos a month. Pagpalagay natin, 10% lang yan. That is 90,000 a month. Okay na ba or okay na okay? Okay, dun po sa marketing plan natin, meron na po tayong tinatawag na power of 2 strategy. Yung income po natin, hindi po yun mangyayari overnight. Kailangan po natin yung pagtrabahuan. Siyempre, sideline lang po, part-time, dahan-dahan, basta parate. Okay. Pagpalagay natin, ito yung first month mo, kaka-invite ka ng dalawa, si ma'am tsaka si sir. Diba, 500 ka kay ma'am, 500 ka kay sir, tapos 500 ka po sa pairing. Automatic may 1.5 ka, diba? So, yun yung total income mo, 1.5. Okay? Sa entire career mo po sa V-Mobile, swerte ka na kasi dalawa lang yung na-invite mo. Pero don't forget, tuturuan natin sila. Okay, turuan natin si ma'am. Ma'am, dalawa lang po yung i-invite mo. Sir, dalawa lang din po yung i-invite mo. So, second month, si ma'am naka-invite ng dalawa, tsaka si sir dalawa. So, kumita na si ma'am dito 1.5, si sir 1.5. Ikaw, meron kang bonus, dalawang 500. So, that is 1,000 pesos. Total mo is 2,500 total income. Alright? Third month, same scenario. Turo sa kanilang dalawa dito, tig-dalawa lang. Same here. Maka-invite sila ng tig-dalawa. So, 4 yun. Okay, ikaw automatic meron kang team sales bonus na 2,000 pesos. 4 na 500. So, total income is 4,500. Following the power of 2 after 7 months, that is a total of 65,000 pesos po. Pinaka-the best dito is, ang tinuro po natin sa kanila is power of 2. What if, kung tig-4 yung invite nila, tig-10, possibly, itong 65,000, pwedeng mangyari yan in 3 months time, di po ba? Pwede po yan. Alright? Going back dun sa power of 2, after a year, yan po yung possible income nyo. Assuming na nasusunod na every month, tig-2 lang yung na-endorse ng mga ka-teammates mo. Alright? That is 1.9 million pesos po. Pagpalagay natin, 10% lang yung nangyari. So, 10% ng 1.9 is 190,000. Again, may income ka na, effort mo lang is 2, nakatulong ka pa sa mga friends mo na sila din magka-income. At the same time, ikaw po, ginawa mo lang sideline to in 1 year and meron kang extra income. Diba? Alright, pwede din po tayo mag-power play. What if you have more than 2 friends? Hindi naman, syempre, 2 lang friends mo. Hindi naman pwede yun. Alright? So, pwede po kayo mag-power play account. Pwede po kayo mag-3 accounts or 7 accounts. Or pwedeng mas marami pa. Depende na po yun sa inyo. Ganito po yung power play. 3 accounts. Sa'yo po yung 3 accounts. Hanap lang po kayo ng 4 na friends. Alright? And don't forget, tulungan natin yung 4 nating friends na mag-power of 2. Okay? Same effort, power of 2. However, your income will be multiplied by 3. So that is potential income in 1 year na 5.7 million. Yan po yung potential income nyo, power of 2. Kung gusto nyo po ng career, ito po yung magiging power play natin na 7 accounts. Alright, hanap lang po tayo ng 8 friends. And again, don't forget, naturuan natin yung 8 friends natin na mag-power of 2. After 1 year, ito po yung potential income nyo, 13.3 million. Right? Let's say 10% yung nag-work dyan. which is 1.3 million, okay na din. Milyonaryo ka na after a year, di ba? Sideline mo lang ulit yan. Ginagawa mo during your part-time pag wala kang ginagawa. Again, gusto ko lang po i-clarify na V-Mobile business is not really about e-loading. Part lang po yung e-loading sa business natin. Habang nag-i-loading ka sa mga friends mo, don't forget to endorse the business. Endorse the business through marketing. Let them know about the consumer empowerment, the benefits that they'll get. Yung makukuha nilang mga benefits na convenience, discount, and extra income. Yun po yung talagang i-endorse natin. Benefits na makukuha nila. Again, part-time lang yung e-loading. Okay, ito po yung isang illustration. Gusto ko po yung pakita sa inyo ganito. Alright, ito po yung magiging income mo through e-loading, and ito din po yung magiging income mo through endorsement. Practically, mas gusto natin yung papel, di ba? Pero ito lang nakaganda dito sa negosyong to, kahit saan sa dalawa ang i-focus mo, meron ka pa ring income. Yun yung importante doon, di ba? Magkaka-income ka, sideline income, extra income. Alright, para po sa mga kaibigan ko or mga kabayan ko dito po sa Pilipinas, okay, ito po yung makukuha nyo dun sa free business kit ninyo, di ba? May tuturo po akong marketing strategy. Meron po kayong 20 Tecno user card. Okay, ganito po yung gagawin natin. Okay? Yung one Tecno user card, let's say 200 pesos, break even lang po yun. 200 times mo ng 20 is 4,000, di ba? Okay, pagpalagay natin 200 pesos yung isang card. Pag meron kayong prospect, pwede nyo po ibigay sa kanya ng free. Alright. Siyempre, yung prospect nyo, meron kayong standard dyan. Make sure na kaya niyang maka-afford ng 3,988 in time. Okay? Hindi naman pwede yung bigay lang natin kahit kanino, tapos hindi din naman kukuha ng dealership. Okay? Ang goal po natin dyan is ipapa-experience po natin sa kanya yung discount and convenience. Alright? Kung gusto niyang mag-e-loading, may extra income siya pa konti-konti. Diba? Darating ang time na i-endorse mo yung bigger picture, yung endorsement, yung marketing plan. Syempre, nagustuhan na po yung e-loading, may income na siya doon. Pag inoferan mo pa yung malaking income, syempre, magugustuhan niya yun, di ba? Alright. So, if you have 20 Tecno user na ma-convert mo into 20 Technopreneur, yung power of 2 mo, na-remember mo yung power of 2, magiging times 10 yun siya because of the Tecno user card. So, ginawa mo lang to siyang pang-demo sa mga friends mo na pwede mong i-convert or pwedeng magkuha ng dealership in time. Okay? Isa po yun sa mga marketing strategy na pwede nyong gawin. Ito po yung mga taong naniwala sa consumer empowerment. Isa po dyan si Mr. Gerard Gallego. Isa po yan siyang OFW sa California for 10 years. Isa po yun siyang system engineer sa Microsoft. Ibig sabihin malaki ang sahod, 10 years engineer, di ba po? Okay. Sumali siya sa V-Mobile noong January 2010. Nag-7 account siya kasi nakita niya po yung opportunity. Other than e-loading, meron pang endorsement marketing. Alright? So, after September, that is approximately 8 months, nakabili po siya ng Toyota Fortuner. And, nag-give up niya po yung career niya sa US, pagiging engineer niya, and nagnegosyo po siya ng V-Mobile dito sa Pilipinas, sa Davao po. Sa kanya po yung main office dito sa amin. So, maganda po yung naidudulot ng V-Mobile sa mga OFW. Pwede na po kayong umuwi sa Pilipinas para syempre makapiling yung mga mahal nyo sa buhay. Alright? Ito po yung sample checks niya. Diba, January po yun siya nag-join. After March, after 2 months, that is almost 200,000 in a month. Okay. And isa pa po yung top 1 po natin na V-Mobile millionaire si Mr. Piwi Guasque. Alright, ito po yung sasakyan niya, Lamborghini, worth 21 million. In 3 years na V-Mobile member siya, total of 47 million na po yung na-income niya po. Alright, ganito lang po kasimple yung business natin. Again, V-Mobile system, i-offer mo lang yung benefits and opportunities. Ipapa-upgrade mo lang yung mga kaibigan natin na gumagamit ng same product na ginagamit natin. Right? Traditional system, wala kang makukuha dyan. Dito sa atin, meron tayong benefits and opportunities. And ito lang po yung susundin natin, power of 2. After a year, huwag kang sumuko, maraming discouragement, pero after a year, tumagal ka lang ng 1 taon, magkaka-income ka sigurado. And ito po yung first National Sales Convention sa Mall of Asia noong January 22. Ito po yung president natin si Sir Ismael Benko, and partner po natin sa business ang Smart Communication. Ganito lang po yan, oh. Yung kumpanya ng Smart, meron po yun silang law firm. Way back 2008, pag-present pa lang po ng V-Mobile business plan, pag sa tingin nilang scam lang to, hindi na po nila gagamitin yung pangalan nila. Way back 2008 pa. Alright? Marami tayong natatanggap na rejections na scam daw po yung V-Mobile. Again po, meron kaming track records for 3 years. Alright? And syempre yung Smart din, meron yung silang marketing firm. Way back 2008 ulit, pag-present ng V-Mobile business plan, pag sa tingin nilang walang kikitain yung V-Mobile, hindi na po yun sila makikipag-partner sa atin. Alright? So, tayo po mismo, meron tayo mga business partners or mga consultants sa bahay natin. Kayo na din po yung magdedesisyon. And ganito lang po kasimple yun, no? Kung alas 2 po ng hating gabi, sirado po yung tindahan, may magpapaload ng Smart, syempre walang kikitain si Smart kasi walang magbebenta ng kanilang produkto, di ba? Eh kung ngayon, kaya na po nating loadan yung sarili natin kahit alas 3 or alas 4 pa ng hating gabi, may income pa rin po si Smart. Kasi po, pwede po tayong mag-load sa sarili natin kahit anong oras. So, ganun lang po kasimple. Kaya po, naging partner tayo with Smart Communications. And isa po tong proof na meron po tayo na generate na income. Alright? Ito po yung annual sales volume natin. Way back 2008, meron po tayong 16 million na na-share sa mga telecom business na income sa kanila using our system. And around 2009, meron po tayong na-share na 139 million sa mga telco companies. And last year po, meron po tayong na-share sa kanilang 640 million pesos using the V-Mobile system. Malaki na pong tulong yan, di ba? And during the convention, over 200 million paid incentive and commissions na po ang nabibigay sa mga V-Mobile endorser. Diba po, yung top 1 natin si Sir Peewee earned 47 million in 3 years. Alright? So, meron pa pong sobra. Bawasan natin ng 47 million to. Sana po napunta yun. So, means na marami pa po ang nakinabang at natulungan ng V-Mobile. And by that time, we're able to generate 14 millionaires in less than 3 years. Alright? And after 3 years, we're able to generate 20 millionaires po. Hindi pa lang po sila na-declare. Kasi po, next convention pa yun sila ma-declare ng company. Alright? Ganito lang po kasimple yung formula of success, the power of 2. Hanap lang po tayo ng 2 friends na pwede nating tulungan, and do not forget po, huwag nyong kalimutang turuan po natin sila para alam po nila kung ano ang gagawin sa business. Other than e-loading, tuturuan po natin sila ng marketing plan. Get the best package. Right? Ito po, one account, investment po is 3,988. You're just going to look for 2 friends. Ito po yung potential income nyo, 1.9 million after a year. Okay? Sundin nyo lang po yung power of 2. Pwede po kayo mag 3 accounts. That is 11,964. Look for 4 friends. Turuan po natin sa ng power of 2, and this is your potential income, 5.7. Then you can get 7 accounts for 27,916 pesos. Look for 8 friends to teach power of 2, and then after a year, ito po yung potential income nyo po. Okay, maraming salamat po ulit. Ito po si Mr. Fritz De Leon.